లైట్గా ఇక్కడ కానీ మనం మెట్రిక్ అంటే వైట్ అడిగి లేని మాదాగన kapala gani makanda
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today at the Professor E.O.E. Pereira Theatre for the grand opening of EngEx 2025, the exhibition celebrating the 75th anniversary, the Diamond Jubilee of the Faculty of Engineering, University of Peradeniya.
Today's occasion is more than just the opening of an exhibition. It is a proud reflection of 75 years of excellence, dedication, and progress in engineering education. It is a moment that allows us to honor the past, celebrate the present, and look ahead with confidence into the future of engineering.
It is an honor to have distinguished guests, respected faculty members, alumni, and industry partners joining us to witness this milestone event. Please note that this session is being broadcasted live on the YouTube channel of the Faculty of Engineering and the Facebook page of the University of Peradeniya.
To begin our proceedings with honor, we now move on to the tradition of lighting the oil lamp, a lasting symbol of renewal and hope. For this, I cordially invite Engineer Imantha Vijayakon, the Chief Guest and the CEO of SLT Mobitel Group,
Mr. Lawrence Pereira, the guest of honor and the son of Professor E.O.E. Pereira,
Professor Sanath Rajapaksha, the Acting Vice Chancellor of the University of Peradeniya,
Professor Lilantha Samaranayaka, the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering,
representing the head of all departments, Professor Kushan Vijayasundara,
representing all deans of other faculties, Professor Barana Jayawardena,
representing the President of the Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka, Professor Emeritus Ranjit Disanayaka,
Mr. Anuruddha Ratnayaka, the Deputy Chief Regional Officer of SLT Mobitel Group,
Mr. Rohana Ellavala, the Deputy Chief Marketing Officer of the SLT Mobitel Group,
representing all other sponsors, Ansel Lanka Private Limited,
the Registrar of the University of Peradeniya, Mr. K.A.B. Damunupola,
the Bursar of the University of Peradeniya, Mr. A.N.M.B. Arampat,
Dr. Samit Buddhika, the Chairman of the EngEx 2025 Organizing Committee,
Dr. Isuru Bandara, the Logistics Chair of EngEx 2025,
Dr. Damayanti Herath, the Chair of the Exhibits Committee,
Dr. Isuru Dasanayaka, the Finance Chair,
representing all academic staff of the faculty, Professor S.B. Veerakon,
Mrs. Nilanjani Rajapaksha, the Senior Assistant Registrar of the Faculty of Engineering,
Mr. Indika Basnayaka, the Senior Assistant Bursar of the Faculty of Engineering,
Engineer Daminda Atapattu, the Workshop Engineer,
Engineer Pushpika Panditaratna, the Works Engineer of the University of Peradeniya,
representing all non-academic staff, Mr. Janaka Ratnayaka,
representing all students, Mr. Bhagya Dharmadasa, the President of the Engineering Students Union,
Mr. Metsara Dulanjit, the Student Exhibition Subcommittee of the Faculty of Engineering.
Thank you all. Please remain standing. To formally commence today's proceedings, let us now honor our motherland with the national anthem.
Sri Lanka Mata, Apa Sri Lanka, Namo 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 Sundara Sri Padi, Surendi Ati Somarmana, Dilganumena apa bhakti puja namo namo apa Sri Lanka namo 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 Upale apadikya Upanaya apa satya Upale apa shakti Apa hagatula bhakti Upa apa anumukti Apa ni anuprani Upa apa jivanade Apa mukti anupati Apa jivanade Pilih apa bukan mana Jangan bila pada Kita mahu berbedaan dengan berbeda Yang tidak Prima mana sekali Apa Sri Lanka Namo 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 Namo
Thank you all. We now invite Professor Lilantha Samaranayake, the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering, to officially welcome the gathering and to set the tone for today's program.
Good morning. The chief guest, Mr. Engineer Imantha Vijayakon, the Chief Executive Officer of Sri Lanka Telecom Mobitel, the guest of honor, Mr. Lawrence Pereira, the beloved son of late Professor E.O.E. Pereira, the founder of this Faculty of Engineering and also the father of the engineering education in Sri Lanka and his beloved wife. All invitees from the industry, the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Sanath Rajapaksha, the fellow deans of other faculties, heads of departments, directors of centers and units of the faculty as well as in the university, retired members of the Faculty of Engineering, the acting registrar, the Bursa, all members of the academic staff, non-academic staff, and executive staff of the Faculty of Engineering, my dear undergraduates, postgraduate students, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. I warmly welcome all of you to the Diamond Jubilee exhibition, EngEx 2025, the unique, unparalleled engineering exhibition in the country, themed Engineering for Life. First, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to all the members of the academic staff, non-academic staff, and executive staff, and especially my dear students of the Faculty of Engineering of the University of Peradeniya for your commitment, perseverance, and delivering an unprecedented collection of high-quality set of exhibits, especially while the academic program and examinations running as normal. This is truly admirable. This exemplifies the feasibility of optimizing the human resources and the physical resources in a limited time, which are all coming as constraints of a complex engineering optimization problem, and yet minimizing the cost function that is delivering the exhibition to the best benefit of the visitors. Your dedication and hard work are greatly appreciated and admired, without which the EngEx 2025 would not have been a reality. I am proud to lead this faculty with such a dedicated team and a devoted team. From today onwards, the next 5 days, we are going to witness one of the largest engineering exhibitions realized in the history of this country, where the engineering fundamentals and the know-how turned into demonstrative exhibits, innovations and inventions which may lead to successful commercial products in the future. This setup makes the presence of the industry a vital need. I take this opportunity to thank all the invitees from the industries who have joined hands with us as sponsors, partners, and collaborators, and those who are physically present here today for taking off from their busy schedules and investing your valuable time on a winning future target. We have covered a wide spectrum of engineering exhibits ranging from, but not limited to, ancient construction marvels versus modern construction technologies and tools, modern structures, novel materials, pumped storage systems, flood control systems, aircrafts, automobiles, mechanisms and machines, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in the future, drones and their engineering applications, 3D printing zones comprising of concrete 3D printing, laser 3D printing, etc., modern manufacturing systems, Internet of Things and artificial intelligence-based smart cities, evolution of computing, computer vision applications, future power systems, smart grids, innovative biomedical device prototypes, plenty of electronic prototypes, robotics, automation, robot cities, autonomous vehicles, and the list goes on. Well, I will leave it for you to experience in the next couple of hours. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you to EngEx 2025, the Diamond Jubilee exhibition of the Faculty of Engineering, and I invite to witness the talents of the budding engineers. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
To truly appreciate where we stand today, it is important to reflect on the remarkable journey that has brought us here. Over the past 75 years, the Faculty of Engineering has grown from humble beginnings into a leading center of learning, innovation, and discovery. Generations of engineers who walk through its halls have gone on to shape industries, build communities, and contribute to the progress of our nation and beyond.
As we celebrate this grand occasion, it is only fitting that we pause for a moment to honor this legacy and to acknowledge the vision, perseverance, and the achievements that have paved way for us. With this in mind, let us now take a glimpse into the proud history of our faculty through a short documentary.
The roots of Peradeniya engineering faculty goes all the way to Colombo, where the founding University of Sri Lanka, University of Ceylon, now known as University of Peradeniya, was established on the 1st of July 1942. The university had a vision to establish an engineering faculty, and one man was entrusted with the task, Professor E.O.E. Pereira. Appointed as Professor of Civil Engineering in 1947, he laid the foundation for what would become one of the most distinguished engineering faculties in the region. On 1st of July 1950, the Faculty of Engineering was officially established at the Ceylon Technical College in Maradana, with just 12 academic staff, 25 new students, and 3 batches of seniors completing their studies. The early curriculum was a blend of the University of London and the faculty's own innovations, offering a 4-year degree of Bachelor of the Science of Engineering in specializations of civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. Students spent their first year studying mathematics, physics, and chemistry at the Science Faculty in Thurston Road, while also mastering engineering, drawing, and workshop practice at the Ceylon Technical College at Maradana. Yet, the dream was always bigger. Under the leadership guidance of visionary leader Sir Ivo Jennings, the university envisioned to be brought to Peradeniya. Set against the scenic backdrop of the Mahabali River as a residential university with a diverse set of faculties. As the transition was happening, after the University of Ceylon administration and arts and Oriental Studies faculties at Thurston Road were shifted to Peradeniya in October 1952, the freed up spaces were allocated to engineering faculty for office rooms, lecture rooms, and drawing offices. Professor E.O.E. Pereira, with much forward thinking, prepared plans for a new engineering faculty at Peradeniya for an intake of 150. Although the approved intake was 25 at an estimated cost of 15 million rupees for buildings and equipment. The planned site for the Peradeniya Engineering Faculty, Pera EFAC, was a 6-hectare plot of land on the left bank of the Mahabali River at the scenic Peradeniya campus. The faculty complex was to be linked to the main Peradeniya campus by a footbridge across the Mahabali River, planned by faculty staff and the university architect. The plans took shape in the 1950s, and by 1964, the move became a reality. With spacious lecture hall, state-of-the-art laboratories, and breathtaking surroundings, the faculty flourished at Peradeniya. The first group of students arrived in October 1964, and by December, they had settled into their new accommodations at Akbarnel Hall. By 1966, the first-year curriculum was fully integrated within the engineering faculty. Under the visionary leadership of Professor E.O.E. Pereira, the faculty continued to expand, adding new departments and increasing student intake. By 1970, most students entering the university had their school education in Swabhasha, and the faculty adopted a policy decision to have bilingual streams. In 1971, the faculty acquired Sri Lanka's first university computer, IBM 1130. This revolutionized engineering education, enabling new courses in computing and offering services to other faculties and industries. By 1972, engineering faculty staff was brimming with many bright new PhDs who cherished the challenge of teaching state-of-the-art topics under final year elective courses. Thus, engineering faculty was able to produce graduates of a high caliber who excelled in research programs in universities abroad and also competent as good design engineers. With the new University of Ceylon Act in 1972, University of Ceylon Peradeniya became University of Sri Lanka Peradeniya campus. The Silver Jubilee in 1975 marked a turning point, celebrating 25 years of engineering excellence. The faculty continued to grow, introducing postgraduate programs and modernizing its curriculum. The alumni network, PIFA, was founded in 1991, strengthening ties between past and present students. By 2000, the faculty was thriving, with the Golden Jubilee celebrations drawing thousands of visitors and sparking major engineering exhibitions. The Faculty of Engineering began with a limited number of departments, focusing on civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering. As the demand for specialized engineering knowledge grew, the faculty expanded its academic offerings. The establishment of the Department of Chemical Engineering. Department of Production Engineering. And Department of Engineering Mathematics in 1971. Followed by the Department of Computer Sciences in 1985, reflected the dynamic evolution of global technological advancements. Today, they are known as Department of Chemical and Process Engineering, Department of Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering, and Department of Computer Engineering, offering their own specializations. Student intakes have steadily increased over the years to 250 in 1978, 300 in 1992, 325 in 2000, 415 in 2008, 435 in 2020, and reaching 455 in 2022. From an initial 25 faculty members in 1964, the academic staff has grown to 111 dedicated professionals today. Today, the Faculty of Engineering at Peradeniya shines as a center of excellence, providing globally accredited programs and nurturing engineers who shape industries and academia across the world. As the faculty celebrates its 75 years anniversary, the faculty's strategic vision focuses on fostering global partnerships, enhancing research capabilities, and promoting innovation to address the complex challenges of the 21st century. From its modest origins in Colombo to becoming a renowned institution, its path has been marked by resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to engineering education. The legacy continues, built on the foundations of knowledge, driven by innovation, and fueled by the passion of generations past, present, and future.
We are privileged to have with us our esteemed chief guest, Engineer Imantha Vijayakon, the CEO of SLT Mobidel Group. I now invite him to share his thoughts on this occasion.
Good morning, guest of honor, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Dean Faculty of Engineering, Professor Lilantha Samaranayaka, distinguished guests, industry partners, faculty, students, parents, and well-wishers. It's an honor and a privilege to be present today for such a momentous occasion, the inauguration of EngEx 2025. Powered by SLT Mobitel, the proud title sponsor of the event, in collaboration with the University of Peradeniya. Today is a historic event as we honor 75 years of the Faculty of Engineering and kick off Sri Lanka's largest and most ambitious engineering exhibition, fittingly titled Engineering for Life. I want to first acknowledge the extraordinary legacy the Faculty of Engineering has cultivated generations of innovators. These brilliant minds and their inventions have shaped the country's infrastructure, industry, and digital landscape. I am told the Diamond Jubilee exhibition continues the legacy of the faculty in 1992, 2000, and year 2010, each incorporating the technological advances of that era. EngEx 2025 continues this proud tradition by inviting academia, industry leaders, policymakers, and the general public to explore the frontiers of engineering today. It is the combined dedication of us all that will nurture the building future innovators and engineering solutions. As the CEO of SLT Mobitel, Sri Lanka's national ICT solutions provider, I am immensely proud our organization is the title sponsor for the event. SLT Mobitel has always embraced the responsibility of driving digital transformation. We believe investing in connectivity and innovation is equivalent to investing in the country's future. Partnering with the Faculty of Engineering for EngEx 2025, we reiterate our commitment to nurturing technological excellence, generating collaboration, and empowering the next generation of engineers to dream bigger and to reach higher goals. As the title sponsor, SLT Mobitel offers multifaceted assistance in addition to financial support. We are deploying a full stack of connectivity services including 5G, experience zone, high-performance Wi-Fi, and fiber to provide seamless, real-time engagement throughout the 15-acre exhibition zone. Whether you are a student demonstrating a machine learning prototype, an investor evaluating a sustainable materials solution, or a school child taking your first steps into robotics, the SLT Mobitel network will guarantee you ideas flow without interruption. Visitors can stream live demonstrations, download simulation data in seconds, and collaborate in virtual forums with peers and mentors across the globe. The digital backbone transforms EngEx 2025 into a space where innovations become interactive experiences. The bright ideas provide tangible solutions. Empowering this exhibition is a testament to SLT Mobitel's vision for youth empowerment. Through initiatives including hackathons, startup incubators, and coding competitions, we have seen firsthand how early engagement with technology ignites curiosity and haunts critical thinking. At EngEx 2025, we will showcase our own digital platforms, including smart classrooms and e-learning tools, in addition to the creative projects of undergraduates who have embraced project-based learning as part of their curriculum. Organizers anticipate more than 50,000 participants. Professionals, students, investors, and members of the general public from every corner of Sri Lanka. Visiting the exhibition, they will have the access to platforms relating to artificial intelligence, machine learning, construction technology, and sustainability, showcasing the extraordinary potential of collaborative innovation. Demonstrating the faculty's ingenuity, visitors will be able to explore exhibits ranging from biomedical devices that locate veins with infrared LEDs to hyperspectral imaging solutions that detect counterfeit food. Furthermore, industry academia collaboration lies at the heart of EngEx 2025. SLT Mobitel has long maintained partnership with leading universities, including Peradeniya and Moratua, to offer training, internships, and collaborative R&D. Today's exhibition amplifies these efforts, providing a stage where student prototypes can meet market realities. Such synergy accelerates the journey of a prototype from the laboratory bench to becoming a commercial product, fueling Sri Lanka's digital economy. I strongly believe the investment we make in young engineers and innovators is an investment in Sri Lanka's future. At EngEx 2025, powered by SLT Mobitel, we witness the convergence of cutting-edge technology and entrepreneurial ambition under one roof. The effort symbolizes a platform where the brightest engineering minds come together to show us what tomorrow looks like. As you navigate the exhibition, whether at the 5G gaming zone, the AR/VR platform, or the IoT and fleet management showcases, remember that every demo, every prototype, and every conversation contribute to a larger narrative. The promise of Sri Lanka's emergence as a hub of technological progress is fast approaching. SLT Mobitel's connectivity solutions are designed not merely to support the event, but to elevate every interaction into an opportunity for learning, networking, and growth. In closing, let us seize today to reaffirm our shared purpose to harness engineering excellence for the betterment of society. To the students, I say, dare to innovate boldly. To our industry partners, I extend my gratitude for your collaboration and challenge you to champion these emerging talents. As to all participants, thank you for joining. Today, with SLT Mobitel's unwavering support and the University of Peradeniya's impressive legacy, we will engineer a future that thrives on creativity, sustainability, and shared prosperity. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring speech. Next, we take a moment to acknowledge the valued support of our title sponsor, SLT Mobitel, whose partnership has been instrumental in making today's event a reality. We now move on to the sponsor's message.
Networks are the building blocks of humanity, of progress, of hope. Connecting, empowering, creating the new. We are the network of a nation. Architects of symbiotic connections that have inspired and evolved Sri Lanka and the region for over 165 years. In our DNA is a network of firsts, pioneers, catalysts, challengers, and always ready. Fortified by the largest land and mobile telecom powerhouse. We employ a network of strengths, an omnipresent enabler, transforming the high-rises of global capitals, orchestrating, kindling, a new age of capabilities, delivering best-in-class technology to facilitate ideas, broaden opportunity, uplift infrastructure, accelerated by innovation, fortified by commitment, proven by legacy, interlacing air, land, and water, driving our steadfast philosophy to always be ahead of time. We offer a network of opportunity. Our ambitions touch every moment, every individual, every household, every enterprise dream. An ecosystem of agile limbic solutions, synchronized perfectly, understanding, learning, resolving, evolving, bridging the gulf between dreams and promises delivered. We believe in a network of hearts, sustainability, inclusivity, co-connectivity, encouraging new thinking. A network of the future, a bold, agile, far-sighted leadership that's driving Sri Lanka's digitization roadmap, giving credence to every individual, home, enterprise, and partner to build their vision of a smarter tomorrow. Because at SLT Mobitel, there's no dream too big. SLT Mobitel, the connection.
Without their support, this event would not be possible. Ladies and gentlemen, I now warmly invite the student representative, Mr. Bhagya Dharmadasa, to share a few words.
Honorable Acting Vice Chancellor, respected Dean Engineering, Deans of other faculties, Heads of departments, distinguished guests, members of academic and non-academic staff, industry partners, sponsors, dear parents, my dear brothers and sisters. Good morning to you all. It is my privilege as the student representative of Faculty of Engineering to stand before you today to inaugurate EngEx 2025. This exhibition is more than just a display of projects. It is a collaborative effort that defines our faculty. It is a combination of countless hours of hard work. Today, you will witness a number of projects, each a story of how theoretical knowledge leaps out of textbooks into reality. This engagement is the heart of our learning. Students from all departments have poured their passion into these innovations, demonstrating that the true application of engineering is not just in solving complex equations, but in solving human problems. This brings us to the most crucial aspect, the future. The engineers of tomorrow are not just technicians. We are visionaries, problem solvers, and global citizens. The challenges of our time, from climate change to digital transformation, require not just technical proficiency, but also ethical responsibility, creative thinking, and cross-disciplinary collaboration. None of this would have been possible without a profound ecosystem of support. Our deepest gratitude goes to our academic and non-academic staff, whose guidance is our compass. To our esteemed industry partners and sponsors, thank you for your invaluable trust and investment in our potential. Your partnership bridges the crucial gap between the classroom and the industry. To the parents here today, thank you for your unwavering belief and sacrifices. Your support is the bedrock of our confidence. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Engineering is not just about machines and structures. It is also about culture, creativity, and spirit. To showcase this, let us now enjoy a vibrant cultural performance presented by our talented students.
ගණපති දෙතිනුවන මිහිකත් රකිති මෙතේරණ දෙන්නේ මට නුවන අසම් දෙවියනි දේව සුභගණ ආයුබෝ වේවා කලසෙත් මුදුන් වේවා දෝස දුරු වේවා සක්‍ර මහ බලු ආයුබෝවා අයාත කුඩා සමාන වේ මලවර පෙළපත කවියට පෙර සිටම පැවතේ තුංග වේ පටා මත්තලින් මෙලෙස රංග පෑවෙතිගෙන කූරු ඇති නලගමන් දෙවනිව පුව කෝනාගමතු යන නමදරු පලකමින්නිත ගේගමන් සතය කුති පට්ටුර සිරිදරු ඔබරු පන්සිතුමිය පන්පුතු කයරයන් තිස සිරිපිරු දෙවතුලෙන් දොස පසින් කෝනාගම කුතුන් අනගෙනදරු විසපටන්නල ලතනු පන් පැමතෙනය රංචකටතනිතා තුලසවන් දුක තුලක බෙල්ලෙද දෙවුර බැලමිට අහපිතා ඈත විගහතු දසකෙත සහ දසතුලෙන් සතුල පුතා ඈත කරවා හරින් අට විසිතුම් අනුහස් පාතානස්කා වීර ශෝකය රුදුරු සිටිවිලි මිනිස් භාවය විදාලු අරුන්ගෙන දෙයි නර්තනය තුල මිනිස් සිතුවිලි පසන්දු තානෙනාතම් තානතනතම් තානෙනා Kasirate sitana guru unda usika tuhagena satama sanda lavsila bana pura karaganda kasirate guru kiyanda
Thank you all for that energetic performance. To give you a preview of what awaits beyond this ceremony, we now turn to EngEx at a Glance, delivered by Dr. Damayanti Herath on behalf of the Exhibits Committee, highlighting the key features of the exhibition and helping you make the most of your journey through EngEx 2025.
Good morning, distinguished guests, special invitees, members of the academic staff and non-academic staff, as well as all the students. As the chair of the Exhibits Coordinators Committee, I am extremely grateful as well as excited to present EngEx 2025 at a glance, a quick overview of what to expect at Diamond Jubilee Engineering Exhibition organized by Faculty of Engineering, University of Peradeniya, the biggest engineering exhibition of the year. This is the 5th iteration of the exhibitions that is happening at these premises. And there's been a lot of planning occurred for this exhibition. And as we were planning for this exhibition, we wanted to showcase 3 key strengths of the faculty. Starting with the engineering fundamentals. In this exhibition, you will find explanations, prototypes, demonstrations of engineering fundamentals by budding engineers, the undergraduates of the faculty, as well as the undergraduates of the faculty together with the experts in the field. They will show the theory within the classroom as well as beyond the classroom. Secondly, the collaborations. In this vast, beautiful area of the land, you will find interdepartmental collaborations as well as collaborations with the industry, including distinguished affiliations such as Institution of Engineers Sri Lanka and many more collaborating with us, leading to impactful outcomes. You will also experience how staff and students collaborate towards a common goal, making it a unique opportunity for learning for them. Thirdly, our focus is on research and innovations. As you walk through the field, you will see a lot of inspirational ideas ignite into products or that has a potential to be ignited into a product. So please do keep an eye. So these exhibits are spread across the faculty, and this map here, which you will find at different locations in the faculty, will guide you through what are the venues where you can find these exhibits. And this QR, through this QR, it will guide you through to the same map, as well as it will guide you to a crowd tracker developed by our own students that will help you to navigate through these premises better, giving you a more seamless experience at the premises. Let me quickly walk you through very briefly what to expect at these premises. At EngEx 2025, we have over 200 key exhibits spanning across multiple venues. Starting from chemical engineering, there will be a showcase of lab to industry and a greener tomorrow. Engineering mathematics and Dream Zone will have an exciting lineup of variety of exhibits showing science, mathematics, and entertainment behind engineering. A variety of exhibits of civil engineering will be there, demonstrating their impactful contributions to the nation, embracing both ancient and modern technologies. A smart city by Peracom, an opportunity to step into the future city. Also, they will be demonstrating how the history of computing look like. Spark Street by Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, a mixture of insightful, exciting exhibits from the field that powers and empowers the nation. Creovate, a space to create and innovate by the Department of Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering, and also a range of exhibits from the Department of Mechanical Engineering across the fields of renewable energy, thermodynamics, cyber-physical systems, automobiles, and aeronauticals. Also, during the evenings, to the best of our understanding, to the best of our knowledge, we'll be running a public show of projection mapping and a drone show. As the pioneer in engineering education in Sri Lanka, today we demonstrate a vision. a vision fueled by engineering fundamentals, a vision of engineering for the public, and a vision of engineering that is one with the nature. I wish you a wonderful time at EngEx. You will see days of dreams, days of planning, and days of hard work becoming a reality during the coming 5 days. Don't forget to share your appreciation and the constructive feedback with us. Thank you so much. Have a great time.
On behalf of the faculty, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to making this event a success. To formally deliver the vote of thanks, I cordially invite Dr. Samit Buddhika, the chairperson of EngEx 2025.
Very good morning to you all. Engineer Imanta Vijayakon, the CEO of SLT Mobitel, and our guest of honor, Mr. Lawrence Pereira, and Acting Vice Chancellor, all deans, distinguished invitees, academic staff members, our sponsors, my dear students. It is my great pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this EngEx 2025. Actually, for this, I did not plan to have a script, but during the last meeting yesterday around 11 o'clock maybe in the night, Dean instructed me, you better have one. So let me read it. So the planning of this 75th anniversary celebration started almost 2 years ago. I wanted to first thank our former Dean, Dr. Uday Disanayake, who is maybe not here, but for initiating this endeavor and appointed me as the chairman of the anniversary celebration. Then, under the leadership of current Dean, Professor Lilantha Samaranayake, almost now more than a year, we have started a number of activities under his leadership for this Diamond Jubilee celebration. So these activities are not confined to exhibition, but we also conducted a number of activities such as unveiling our 75th Diamond Jubilee name board, public session, competitions, school activities, and unveiling our centenary plan, and also the exhibition is a one milestone. So EngEx marks the climax of our Diamond Jubilee celebration, where we showcase our rich engineering legacy to industry, general public, and policymakers. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the support of all heads of the department of the faculty and all academic staff members who are the driving force behind this activity. Thank you all. I think your effort now has been paid off. The student of the Faculty of Engineering and their dedication is highly appreciated. This is your exhibition, not ours. Our non-academic staff members have played a key role during this exhibition. They have identified the importance of these activities from the beginning. Huge thanks to you all. Organizing an activity of this magnitude comes with huge risk and challenges. I wanted to thank again our Dean Engineering for taking that challenge and guiding us, and also delegation of authority for us to make decisions on behalf of him, and when there is something goes wrong, maybe in that time only he will intervene. So thank you for giving us the freedom to wave our swords. And huge thanks, that is more importantly, should go to our title sponsor, SLT Mobitel. Your support was tremendous. And throughout this journey, I have associated with many number of individuals from SLT Mobitel with pleasant personality. I really appreciate your support, those who are here or not. It is a great honor to work with you all. And also, I would like to thank our platinum sponsors, Sunken Lanka Private Limited and Sri Lanka Private Limited, ICC Private Limited. Then our exclusive cement partner, Tokyo Cement, steel partner, Melva Conglomerate, digitization partner, Trident Corporates, official healthcare partner, Asiri Hospitals, official food and beverage partner, Elephant House, Keels, and official media partner, Sirasa, YFM, and Shakti TV. And I also want to thank our stallholders who is believing on us, believing on University of Peradeniya, who came all the way here from many parts of the country, especially from Colombo. So I also wanted to extend my thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Bursa, and also thanks to our faculty, SAR, and faculty Bursa. Huge thanks goes to our works engineer and the workshop engineer in the faculty, and also the health center staff and landscape division, and so on, who has played a silent role in this endeavor. I also want to thank the governor of the Central Province, the commander of Sri Lankan Air Force, Clean Sri Lanka Project, Maga Engineering, Peradeniya Police, ISL Kandurata Chapter, and their office bearers, PIFA, Peradeniya Engineer Faculty Alumni Association, and NCD Consultant, and many more, who has been instrumental in success of this project. There are many more people. I also want to thank my team. I don't have a word to say, describe the role that you played in this activity. You have been a great team. I know the work is still yet to start. But many of you work without any appointment or any official invitation from the administration or myself. I believe that we have successfully overcome obstacles through this teamwork. And all of you have worked, young people. Only handful of people worked on this project. I wanted to say you will see the scale of the project, but maybe I can count from these two hands the number of people worked on this project. So this is a great team. So wanted to thank the guidance of our senior staff. Many of you have been encouraging, supporting, giving critical comments for us to work. So in that case, I wanted to mention, I am very certain by looking at our young staff members, the future of this faculty is in a good hands. So we have found many talents, and I know that you have a lot of things to do in coming 5 days. And I also wanted to thank my secretary, maybe who has already almost cried during last number of weeks, Mrs. Shaini Abesekar. Finally, I would like to say, also wanted to acknowledge the support of our audiovisual team, that they are also been a great support to us throughout this journey. Maybe with some last words. So this, I would like to again reiterate one thing, that this exhibition we have planned not to just showcase the engineering legacy and the faculty innovations, but mainly to inspire the young generations, academics, and industry in many generations to come. So thank you all those who have become part of this, and I'm looking forward to the centenary celebration of this engineering faculty in 2050. So with that, long live the Faculty of Engineering, University of Peradeniya. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As this ceremony draws to a close, the celebration truly begins. From this moment on, the stage is yours to explore, to question, to be inspired, and to witness the brilliance that EngEx 2025 has to offer. May the exhibit spark new ideas, ignite passion, and remind us all of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, with pride, with excitement, and with unstoppable energy,
Let us declare the spirit of EngEx 2025.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, so, these are all third-year projects, mostly third-year projects. We have into embedded systems projects, embedded systems, and we are working with all the faculties because Peradeniya is we have all the faculties. So most of the tables you can see, almost all the projects are multidisciplinary. Working with different faculties, medical, dental, allied health, veterinary, agriculture. So that's why you can see that all the so these are all mostly the projects. So we have so